Coverage you can count on begins with positive COVID-19 cases during this first week of school in Columbia County, and some parents raising concerns about their children's safety. Also, questions about social distancing after first day photos went viral. News Channel 6's Renata Dubose breaks it all down for us.
Photos and letters sent home to a few parents sparked a bit of controversy about whether in-person learning is truly safe for students. So we checked in with Dr. Sandra Caraway to see what the status is.
As long as we can have schools safely and in a healthy manner, that's what our intentions are.
News Channel 6 obtained these two letters dated August 4th to parents at Lakeside and Harlem high schools. It's an alert that a student or staff member who tested positive for COVID-19 may have been in contact with that parent's child or children. Sandra Caraway confirmed with us that it was two students, both asymptomatic. And she says just because Lakeside and Harlem have cases, along with 6 other students who tested positive before the start of school, it's not enough to shut the doors like the district did in March.
If the spread of COVID in our community becomes so widespread that we can't have school safely, we'll turn to a learn from home model.
She could not give a number for what widespread means, but says she's following information from the Department of Public Health and the CDC, which recently reported that evidence states children do not appear to be at higher risk for COVID-19 than adults. One parent who wanted to remain anonymous says she just wants more transparency from Columbia County school leaders, adding the letters should have gone out to every parent.
It's not just this school. I know there's more cases at other schools. They're just not reporting it.
The concerned parent did share that she chose the virtual learning option because she expected cases to pop up once in-person learning started.
Because I had a feeling something like this was about to happen. And it's starting, and that's going to be a domino effect.
News Channel 6 spoke with another parent off camera with concerns about students at North Columbia Elementary seated closely together, some wearing masks and some not. The photo went viral and calls came in as far as Texas. Caraway says the return to school plan says social distancing will take place as much as possible.
We don't want children working in small groups as much as possible because we want to limit interaction.
I definitely believe in the academic Academy of Pediatrics that it is essential for children to go to school. I totally believe, I'm not against that. But at what cost? What risk?
Caraway wants me to stress a few things to parents and students to make sure that everyone is kept safe this school year. 1, if a child is sick, do not send them to school. Also, if a child has been exposed to someone in the home with COVID-19 and has taken a test as well, do not come to school either. Stay home until you receive your COVID-19 test results or until those symptoms are gone. In Evans, Renata Dubose, WJBF News Channel 6. Back to you.